In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make perfectly cooked sausages in the air fryer. Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside. Let's dive in. Here's what you'll need: your favorite sausages, a bit of cooking oil spray, gloves, a fork, and of course the air fryer, with optional seasonings like black pepper, salt, garlic powder. Can all add a nice touch. From here, begin by lightly pricking your sausages with a fork. What this does, this releases excess fat during cooking. Add a sprinkle of seasoning for extra flavour. I'm keeping it simple with just salt and pepper. Now, place the sausages in the air fryer trays, making sure they're spread out for even cooking. I'm not using aluminium foil on the trays because it can block airflow, which is essential for that perfectly crisp finish. Now, transfer your sausages into the air fryer. Set your air fryer to around 100 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for roughly 12 to 15 minutes. Halfway through, flip the sausages to ensure they're cooked evenly. If you're using multiple trays like I am, make sure to swap them halfway through for even cooking also. And you want to make sure to use some gloves because they will be hot, those trays. And now check the sausages at the 12-minute mark. They should be golden on the outside and cooked all the way through. And there you have it, perfectly cooked sausages right in the air fryer, ready to be served with your favourite sides. Let me know in the comments below what side dish you like to have with your sausages.